It's Mark. Another over-the-shoulder video. Question: which MC4D moves have simple natural equivalents? All of them that involve aiming your mouse at either the right or the left face do have RO, RF, RU. And the rotations RO, RF, RU. In addition to those, there are a couple of attractive ones. This one, moving the up face 180 degrees, is the UO2 turn. UO2. 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 Orange is on the up half of the right face. Blue is on the up half of the entire front face, etc. UO2. Similarly, the FO2 move is another natural one that has a straightforward correspondence. So, the R and the L moves, the UO2, DO2, FO2, BO2, are the most natural moves that are in that overlapping subset. And those are almost certainly going to be in any move set that we choose to call, a legal move set for the physical cube. I haven't mentioned the O moves and the I moves. This little subcube, if I pull the outer sides off, contains every piece that shares a hunk of the in face. And in fact, in up 2, IU2, is a valid move. IU2. There it is. IU2. But IU is not. We'll talk about that later. OU2. To achieve that, I'm going to hold down the 2 key while I do the inverse of IU2. OU2. OU2. Those aren't quite as satisfying as the other ones because the O face has 2 hunks that aren't physically adjacent. Oh well. How about some other turns here? As I mentioned, the IU and the IF single turns fail badly. They're not legal, terms that correspond to that. So those aren't available in a natural correspondence. However, IR2, of course, is okay, but IR is also perfectly fine. Undo. So the IR twist is perfectly fine. Also not as satisfying because we've got to yank these 2 sides off somehow in order to in order to make that move work. And similarly, OR rotation. Sorry, OR twist. The OR rotation will be the entire puzzle. OR twist. Also available, but not lovely. In order to achieve the full set of moves with MC4D moves, we're pretty much going to have to figure out some way to get these red and orange pieces off of the outer corners. Every move I've discussed, all the natural overlap moves, keep some combination of red and orange on these outer corners. And that's the subject of my video on Faux-Rho and Fou-Rho rotations that take this white upper face and end up moving it onto the corners. It's the equivalent of this Faux-Rho rotation. Or they move the purple face onto the right. Or actually, no, I think it was the pink that moves onto the right. Fou-Rho. Oh, no, there it is. Purple on the right. Neither of those are supernatural moves, but we have a sequence that can do each of those. Any one of those would have been enough to get us the full set of moves. I'll pause for now.